Good morning, sunshine, and welcome back to another episode of The Daily Spark. I'm your host, Sarah.
Hey Sarah, it's great to be here. Morning motivation. Man, this is a topic I think everyone struggles with at some point.
They say that how you spend the first hour of your morning determines how you spend the rest of your day. So today, we are diving deep into morning motivation, how to start your day right and actually feel excited to get out of bed.
Honestly, it depends. Some days I wake up ready to conquer the world. Other days, I feel like my bed is a magnet and I can't escape. I think that's normal, right?
Whether you are a morning person or a night owl who hits snooze 10 times, this episode is going to help you reset. And with me, as always, is Alex. Alex, how do you feel about mornings generally?
Yes, momentum is the perfect word. If you don't steer the ship immediately when you wake up, you just drift with the waves.
You know, that's such a relatable feeling. I think many people wake up feeling like that. It feels heavy, almost like the day is happening to you, rather than you taking control of it.
Right? So, okay, we need momentum. What are the practical steps? I see so many perfect morning routines on social media that involve 3 hours of activities before breakfast. That just feels stressful to me. What is the absolute first thing you do?
For me, morning motivation isn't about waking up with a huge, fake smile. It's about building momentum. It's like turning on an engine. You don't just go from 0 to 60 instantly.
Hydration. I love that. Simple and effective. No scrolling. I am guilty of that sometimes. I have to physically put my phone across the room now, so I don't reach for it automatically.
That is a golden rule. Drink water before coffee. For me, the second thing I do is move. Not a crazy workout, just some light stretching or walking around the house. It signals to my body that sleep time is over.
I find that if I sit still too early, I fall back asleep. So stretching or walking works better for me. But I think gratitude is incredibly powerful. It forces you to focus on what you have, not what you are stressed about.
I totally agree about phones. It's too much dopamine too early. It starts your day with stress or comparisons. Instead of movement, some people find that mental grounding is better for them. What do you think about meditation or gratitude journaling, Alex?
Spoken like a true pro. That is so smart. I need to be better at that. So often, morning laziness is just a symptom of late-night choices. Netflix or doom scrolling until midnight is the enemy of morning motivation.
Gratitude journaling is my magic trick. It sounds cliché, but writing down just 3 simple things I'm thankful for completely changes my energy. It puts me in a mindset of abundance rather than not enough.
Right? Like, if my goal is to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day, I'm probably going to fail eventually and then feel like I've failed completely. Maybe the goal should be to wake up with purpose, whenever that time is.
Alex, this is the part people always forget. You cannot have a great morning if you had a terrible night. The first step to a successful 7 o'clock a.m. is actually at 10 o'clock p.m. the night before.
That is a huge point. Resilience. Don't let one snoozed alarm turn into a ruined day.
Setting an alarm for bedtime is so underrated. It gets your brain ready for rest. My secret morning hack is preparing everything the night before. I lay out my clothes, I prepare my lunch, and I set the coffee maker. I call it Sarah's gift to morning Sarah.
It's about having a toolkit. Some tools work one day, other tools work another day.
Oh, that's key. Be realistic. A motivation routine shouldn't feel like a punishment.
Yes, recap is good.
Exactly. And what about when you do fail? Sometimes you do all the prep, but you still wake up late or feeling awful. I think people need to learn to have compassion for themselves. Just because your morning started badly doesn't mean your day has to end badly.
Spot on. Summary. Sarah. Motivation is a muscle. You have to train it every day.
I call that segmenting your day. Okay, segment 1, the morning was rough. But now we are in segment 2. Let's restart.
Absolutely. Wishing everyone a wonderful, motivated day.
This has been such an inspiring conversation. Let's do a quick recap for everyone listening.
See you in the next one.
To build that morning motivation, start your prep the night before, hydrate immediately, move your body lightly, practice gratitude, avoid your phone, and be kind to yourself if things go wrong. Your morning is your foundation. Build it well. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. Remember, every day is a new chance to start again. We believe in you. If you got any value from this episode, please hit that subscribe button, share this with a friend who struggles with mornings, and leave us a comment about your favorite morning ritual. Stay motivated, everyone. Bye for now.